the oil fit the wrench to loosen it. Man, who the fuck designed these cars? Yeah, who? The fuck? This is a tiny space.
You should wear it, look, right now.
Yeah, in such a...
My sister.
Oh, she's having electrical issues too.
Nah, her alternator is bad. She knows it's bad. She was driving and it shut off on her.
Yeah, that one is easy to
Shit, at least that's what I was telling her. I said, shit, luckily you made it home, because that shit could turn off anywhere. You'd be stuck.
Yep. It's unpredictable.
That's what happened last time when I got to use one.
Thank you. Way too dirty, but you see, huh? Look at that. The catalytic converter came from there, and then it connects right here, and then the O2 sensor that goes here. Okay, this side is done. Yes. Well, this is the after. It's leaking, but also it seems I need the valve cover gasket. Old one was just leaking like here. Go from the drive shaft. So if you see there, this hose goes there. Before, this is the after.
Don't only put brakes on one side.